Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we are checking out the Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 one-time use 35mm camera, specifically this 4-pack offering 27 exposures per camera. This is a classic single-use film camera, perfect for capturing moments without the complexity of a digital device. It comes loaded with Superia X-TRA 400 film, giving you those vibrant, characteristic film colors. The design is compact and lightweight, making it super easy to toss in a bag for any occasion, whether it's a trip, a party, or just a day out. A key feature is the built-in flash, which is great for both indoor shots and dimmer lighting, and you can manually switch it on or off depending on your preference. The camera uses a mechanical shutter with a minimum speed of 0.016 seconds. While it's not waterproof and selfies might be a little blurry due to the fixed focus, it delivers very sharp pictures in good conditions. It's all about hassle-free photography. Snap your 27 shots, send the whole unit off for development, and wait for those nostalgic results. It's a fun, straightforward way to make memories, especially popular for events and teaching younger generations about film. If you're looking for that analog vibe without the commitment of a reusable film camera, this Fuji QuickSnap is a solid choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.